Oh no, not again!
What's going on?
I knew I should have gotten the 200-footer. I tried to save myself $15. I had a feeling I'd regret it. This is certainly an awkward situation. Of course I want to kill you, but would you be willing to just wait here while I go plug this thing back in? Actually, could you stand about this much closer to, or stand right here?
I'd rather run away.
Of course you would. I don't blame you. I would rather do the exact same thing.
Makes more sense.
Yeah. This isn't going well at all. I'm supposed to be a chainsaw murderer, and my stupid chainsaw is worthless right now. I hate myself. I hate myself.
Well, don't be so hard on yourself. This might not help you right now, but for future reference, have you considered buying a chainsaw that doesn't need an electric outlet?
And rely on fossil fuels?
Is that a problem?
Are you joking? Of course it's a problem! We have got to develop alternate sources of energy. What kind of monster do you think I am?
But your electricity is generated by fossil fuels, so a corded chainsaw really isn't that much different than a gasoline-powered one.
What?
Unless Texas is a green state. Is Texas a green state?
That bastard in the White House used to be our governor. He executed 15 retarded toddlers a day while dumping crude oil into our drinking water just for fun. Do you think this is a green state?
I'm sorry. I get very passionate about politics. I should not have said retarded. I'm all worked up now. What is it?
You seem so socially conscious, yet you're wearing a mask made of other people's skin.
Oh, this? It's cruelty-free, actually. Faux leather, you know, it's vinyl or PVC or something. I had the hardest time finding one that wasn't made in sweatshop conditions. The way multinational corporations treat the lesser ones in this world is a crime.
Cambodia has surprisingly good working conditions.
I knew that, actually. Yeah.
I'm not sure if it's Cambodia, but it's one of those Asian nations.
I get them all mixed up, too. They're all so tiny and far away.
Well, except China.
Right, China's big. They have the Olympics there. Which is a tragedy, considering their track record on human rights.
You're so compassionate. You were chasing me, trying to dice me, to chop me up.
Uh-huh. Of course it's contradictory. Haven't you ever heard of mental illness? I have a compulsion. It's not logical.
A handicap.
Actually, we don't say handicap anymore. It's a disability. And I don't like it any more than you do. My therapist says... Actually, I thought I was making progress.
Are you crying?
Give me a second.
Maybe I should just leave you alone with your thoughts. Solar power has made great advances in the past couple decades. Check into it!
I always thought wind energy held more potential.